Guys, what's going on? It's Mark. Check it out. This is a preview. It's not the real thing yet. Why? Because it's dirty. It's not checked over from top to bottom, inside and out, mechanically and structurally. So therefore, it's not ready yet, and it'll be done. And this is merely just a preview. This is a preview of a 2008 GMC Sierra 1500 SLE 4x4 lifted on a rough country lift kit, suspension lift kit, with a set of 20x12 Moto Metal 962s and a set of 35 1250 20-inch Federal tires. Kick-ass setup, front bug shield, whatever, HIDs and top and bottom fog lights, 5.3 liter V8 engine, black cloth interior, Bluetooth radio with Memphis or Rockford Fosgate speakers in the doors, bench seat, kick-ass truck, LED lights throughout, 100 and something Scorpion bed liner, undercarriage is really clean. Exhaust system on it, no rust, maybe a little bit of surface rust, a little dirty right now, but look past that because it'll soon be really freaking pretty. Rough country floor mats, and there is 100 and come on, people are waiting on this video, damn truck. It is, come on, 162,000 miles. So here it is. I'll start up for you guys. You can hear it, and we'll be good to go. Ready? So listen, it sounds pretty tough, and hope you guys like it. This is going to be a truck under $20,000. I'm not sure what the price point's going to be yet, but you know. So let's see what we can do on it. If you guys have any questions, door jams are great, no problems there. And hope you guys like it. This is Mark with a quick preview of the 2008 GMC Sierra. Signing out. Hope you guys like it. Subscribe, hit the notification button. I have a Twitter account. I got a Chapsnat account, and we have a photo. God damn it, I don't know what the hell. I have a lot of shit. Check it out. Let me know what you think. Peace out, guys. Hope you guys are doing great.